Beauty.
No thanks. Okay, let's blow up an egg.
Okay. Keep me out of it.
I'm not videoing you. Okay. Let's blow up an egg.
We'll see if it blows up.
Oh wait, wait. Flag.
Remember, you're cleaning it.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, we will clean it. Okay,
Just hold it, I guess.
well, I was thinking maybe take this off
No, that won't work.
so that it doesn't spin around. So that we can, like, wash it.
This thing will still spin.
I hope you're not videotaping while you're idiot.
Okay, want to just, like, not put the container in?
Grade 3.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's blow up an egg.
Wait. Stay. Stay.
Okay, let's just leave it there. Okay, let's blow up an egg. 1 or 2 minutes.
Why don't you put
2
it on
minutes.
10 minutes and then...
10 minutes and then we'll just wait till it explodes.
Well, yeah, it doesn't really matter. When it explodes, right?
10 minutes? Okay.
Alright, start recording.
I already am recording. May take a couple minutes.
Does it matter whether it's a cupcake or a crushing?
Don't think so.
I'm pretty sure it's...
You guys could only be this interested in schoolwork.
Yeah, that's gonna happen. Oh, what the heck?
It's cracking. 'Cause it's...